Are you tired of boring workouts that feel like a chore? Let's spice things up with Zumba. Zumba is sweeping the world with its fun and energetic moves. But can it really transform your body? Let's find out. Zumba mixes Latin-inspired dance with fitness exercises. Created in the 1990s, it's become a global sensation. What's the secret? It's super fun and accessible to everyone. With upbeat music and dynamic moves, Zumba feels more like a party than a workout. And the best part? It delivers results. Burn calories, improve heart health, and tone muscles, all while having a blast. But it's not just about fitness. Zumba lifts your mood, relieves stress, and boosts confidence. It's a workout that feeds your body and soul. People like Name and Another Name have transformed their lives with Zumba. Name lost 20 pounds and found confidence. Another Name beat stress and anxiety. Real stories, real transformations. Ready to join the fun? Find a class, pick your level, and just dance. No dance experience needed. It's all about moving to the music and having fun. So, can Zumba transform your body? Absolutely. It's fun, effective, and for everyone. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Fitness Idea for more fitness tips. Thanks for watching.